Welcome back, fellow gardeners and nature enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Grassleaf barber's buttons, scientifically known as Marshallia graminifolia. Join us as we uncover the rich history, unique characteristics, ideal growing conditions, companion planting tips, and the diverse uses of this captivating living organism. Let's start by exploring the intriguing history of Grassleaf barber's buttons. This charming plant is native to the southeastern United States, where it thrives in the coastal plains and wet meadows. You might also know it by the names barber's buttons or savanna barber's buttons. With its slender, grass-like leaves and dainty, button-like flowers, it adds a touch of elegance to any garden or natural habitat. The unique appearance of this plant sets it apart from many others. Creating the perfect environment for your Grassleaf barber's buttons is key to its success. These gems prefer well-drained soil and thrive in full sun to partial shade. If you have a spot in your garden that receives dappled sunlight throughout the day, it could be the perfect home for these lovely plants. While Grassleaf barber's buttons can stand alone beautifully, they also make excellent companions for other native species. Consider planting them alongside black-eyed Susans, purple coneflowers, or coreopsis for a stunning and harmonious display of native wildflowers. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Grassleaf barber's buttons serve essential ecological roles. They provide nectar and pollen for various pollinators such as bees and butterflies, contributing to the overall health of your garden's ecosystem. Additionally, their presence can attract other beneficial insects that help control pests. Embrace its rich history, unique features, and proper care will incorporate this enchanting plant into your gardening and farming ventures. Thank you for joining us on this enthralling journey through the diverse species of living organisms that grace our planet. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations of nature's wonders.